Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome back to my channel. Today it is the new year and we are working on eating a little bit healthier. So I have a perfect 5-ingredient chocolate and almond butter protein snack that you guys are gonna love. These little balls are so easy to make. They take 5 minutes, stick them in the fridge, and then you guys can snack on them for the rest of the week. You're gonna love this one, check it out. Don't those look so delicious? Let's get started with this easy 5-ingredient recipe. Okay, so first we're gonna add in 3/4 of a cup of almond butter. This is an almond butter that already has salt added onto it. If you're using one that doesn't have any salt, you may wanna add a little bit. You can kind of just taste it at the end and see how you feel about it. Also, if you don't like almond butter, you can definitely use peanut butter here. Next, we're adding in a 1/2 cup of non-fat dry milk. 1/2 cup of rolled old-fashioned oats. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And last but definitely not least, we are going in with 1/3 of a cup of honey. And the good thing about this is once you stir it up, you can just taste it and see if you need a little bit of salt, if you might want a little bit more honey. It's totally up to you. Now we're gonna stir this up really good. Sometimes you have to use your hands a little bit. I like to start with the spoon and then really get in there. And what I'm doing is I'm kind of just rolling it into like just one big dough ball. If it's so sticky, if you add a little bit more honey, you may need to add a tiny bit more of that dried milk just so that it's really workable. This is looking perfect. I just absolutely love how easy this recipe is. So right now I'm just gonna take a little ball like this and I'm just gonna roll it up. I like to use just like a baking tray or a paper plate and just stick a sheet of parchment paper on there so it won't stick at all. And we're just gonna roll out these little balls like this. These are really great snacks too to throw in like your husband's lunchbox or your kids. Really good high protein snacks. Keep their brains thinking at school. Okay, so we just got done rolling all of these and we're gonna go ahead and stick it in the fridge for an hour. So another really good thing about this snack, I know I mentioned that you can use peanut butter instead of almond butter, but you can also add in other things. You could add in chocolate chips if you wanted. You could add in shredded coconut, maybe some chopped pecans or peanuts. There's so many different options that you can add to this one, so it's really fun. You can make it your own. Okay, so it has been an hour and I just pulled these out of the refrigerator. They are nice and cold and delicious. I can't wait to taste one. These are so good. It's almost like a healthy version of a dessert, but the perfect snack idea. You guys, these are no bake, so easy. Let me know in the comments if you make them. I love hearing when you guys cook my recipes. I will see you next time. Make sure to subscribe so we can keep cooking together.